Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Concept Lab. First of all, we select Ellipse tool and make circle for 100 by 400 px. Make sure the fill is off. Now again make a circle 320 by 320 px. Now align them to center both circles. Now press Alt plus click and make copies at small circle. Now select all the object. Select Shape Builder tool to cut extra lines. Select all the object and fill any color. Now again select all the object and select Shape Builder tool to remove extra parts. Press Alt plus click to remove the extra part. Again select all and go to offset path. Make sure the value of offset path is -9. Now again select all the object and select Shape Builder tool to remove extra parts. Now choose color of your choice. Our unique logo is ready. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.